all for trimming, you're doing the mobility scoring, now's to sort out a plan to do those routine trims for your dairy customers. Right, go to your routine planner first and select your farm. Once you've selected your farm, you've got to set up a routine for them. This gives you a choice of 4 different routines to do for these dairy cows. First of all, your most basic one, the one that you do regular, that is standard. You can do the second routine to certain sorts of cows, another routine for cows with issues, and even a 4th routine if just a very, very straightforward one. Each routine's individual to each farm. Right, to add them up, all you do is select the date. Now you select the cow's number, and she starts. Now this date could be a calving routine or a last trim routine or a routine dry off that you've done and you want to see her again in so many days. As you can see, you just keep clicking the cow's number and the date you want to see. You can select what routine to each cow if you want to change it and save it. At the same time, it'll show you the history of the cows you've done in the past. So let's say this cow's come in, that was her last calving date or dry off routine date, and this is what the new one's going to be. As you can see, we do the same again on this cow. The routine comes up, what a previous one was. I'm going to go, that was it, I'm happy with it. So I'm going to put it down for the 13th, save it. When I've finished, I just transfer it to the cloud and it goes onto the list, the calendar list for your farmers. You would have set your farmer up as a routine already on the calendar, but the farmer now on his own dashboard can click on his own calendar and go and see the visits you've booked down for him. The orange ones in orange will be the routines. Any in blues would be rechecks. As you can see, that's that week. Those are the routines. This is this week's routines on the visit. Now, if you have a routine like this one, that only has 3 cows, it's quite easy to just go and do, like I would do, is just delete the visit because it's not worth going there to do 3 cows, utilising the time of my business. And so that's how I'd use the dairy planner to promote and make my business more efficient and customer friendly.